Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to edit walls and wall properties for wall thickness, wall details, and finishes. For your wall thickness, refer to a book, Construction Drawings and Details, by Kilmer, W., and Kilmer, Rosemary, 2016, the third edition. For the Eames House project, although this building is residential, the construction is a combination of wood base and metal base. Revit provides walls for commercial construction, which is a metal base, so, you may use the provided walls and change some walls. Interior wall is a wood stud with gypsum board and paint finish or wood board, 3 1/8 inches, 4 7/8 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches. Exterior wall is a curtain wall with glass, wood, and metal panels. Exterior wall is a metal with gypsum BD and paint finish or wood BD. Exterior retaining wall is concrete. Once you click a wall, you can edit the properties. Wall height is where it starts and ends, and wall phase, for each wall. If you want to change the wall's type, wall thickness, graphic style, materials, structure, BIM information, you can change by clicking Edit Type. For the future strategy, it is wise to duplicate the type and edit type properties. For best practice, add 000 for the new duplication. This will allow the types to organize in alphabetical order. Click Edit on Structure and change thickness and material and click OK. To change other walls from the Revit metal base 4 7/8 inches wall to wood base 4 1/2 inches. Step 1. Click one of the metal base 4 7/8 inches wall. Step 2. Mouse right click and click Select all instances and click in Entire Project. Step 3. Select 000_interior for 1/2 inches partition. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to edit walls and wall properties for wall thickness, wall details, and finishes. Thank you.